Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share your PayPal profile. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Looking for the fastest way to receive a payment on PayPal. When someone visits your unique PayPal link, they can easily send money directly to your PayPal account. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create PayPal account, how to manage your profile, add location, verify your email and others about PayPal. But now, what if you want to share your PayPal profile to help someone uh, easier to send you money? It's very simple. First of all, of course, how to open our PayPal. You can log in into your mobile apps or you can open it on the website. Now, from here, you can go to your profile by clicking on the gear icon in here. I'm sorry. I think I need to re-enter, relog into my account first. So here's from your profile. It's from your home. Now you can go to account. Here's on your PayPal link. You can click on manage. And here's your PayPal profile. If you want to share it, you can find there is an option like share icon on it. You can just click on that. Now you can share it where you want to share your PayPal profile. If you want to share it to Facebook, you can choose on Facebook, or you can share it to your Messenger, Twitter, or I will just copy the link. After that, you can just set it to your maybe WhatsApp. We'll send it to like this. So when people click on this link, they will be redirect to my PayPal profile. It's very simple, right? So that is how to share your profile on PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.